Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and I purchased, keeping with the 80 volt max series, a Power Auger. I know this is one of the things that is used in Christmas tree farming to, dig holes for seedlings. And what we're going to do today is kind of do an unboxing of this purchase. So the auger doesn't come with the power head, so this is separate. So we will get this opened up. All right, in the box. We have the power head. This is 1 or 2 man operation. Cut off the bubble wrap here. Just cardboard, packing material. Power head. Empty box. It's like some C-clips for the different types of bits. Battery, which we will have to charge. I did bring my other batteries so that we are ready to go. This is coming with a 4 amp hour battery, so a little bit bigger. With the spring trimmer, the leaf blower, those came with 2. The lawnmower came with a 5, and this is a 4. It looks like over here we have a battery charger. I think this makes 5 or 6 battery chargers that I now have. And yeah, that's it. What else we have? So we have the pole saw, the chainsaw, cultivator. I don't see myself needing that. String trimmer, hedger, but yeah. All right, so that's everything that's in the box. I don't need to open this up. I already got a bunch of those. So here we go. We're going to put the auger on and let her rip today. So, all right, that's the unboxing of the 80 volt Masterforce Power Auger. Again, I've had a lot of luck and good success with these things. I'm pretty happy not to have another gas motor that I have to maintain and take care of, so electric, I think, is something that's pretty convenient. The main use for me in these is going to be replanting dead trees in the field, so I'll be able to auger a hole out. Hopefully it doesn't fling the dirt out too far, and then put a seedling in, replace it, all while saving my back and shovel. Maybe I'll hurt my back in a different way with this thing, but TBD. All right, thanks for watching.